Chicken pasta bake. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons olive oil, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 garlic cloves, crushed, 1/4 of a teaspoon chili flakes, 2 by 400 grams canned chopped tomatoes, in cups 4 cups, 1 teaspoon castor sugar, 6 tablespoons cream cheese or according to your taste, 4 skinless chicken breasts, sliced into strips, 300 grams penne, 2 cups, 70 grams mature cheddar, grated, 5/8 cups, 50 grams grated mozzarella, 1/5 cup, half small bunch of parsley, finely chopped. Heat 2 tablespoons of the oil in a pan over medium heat and fry the onion gently for 10 to 12 minutes. Add the garlic and chili flakes and cook for 1 minute. Dip in the tomatoes and sugar and season to taste. Simmer uncovered for 20 minutes or until thickened, then stir through the cream cheese. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a non-stick frying pan. Season the chicken and fry for 5 to 7 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through. Step 3. Heat the oven to 220°C/200°C fan/gas 7. Cook the penne, pasta, following pack instructions. Drain and toss with the remaining oil. Dip the pasta into a medium-sized oven-proof dish. Stir in the chicken and pour over the sauce. Top with the cheddar, mozzarella and parsley. Bake for 20 minutes or until golden brown and bubbling. You can also bake this over stove or whatever you have. Time duration can change from 20 to 30 minutes. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, share your experience in the comments section below and subscribe Food and Gallery.